My child is doing very well in mathematics. She likes or he likes mathematics very much, and they do well when it comes to numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all. But when it comes to word problems, and if it is like a mixture of all the types of operations, the child is not able to decide what the problem requires. Is it addition or subtraction or multiplication or division? The child is not able to decide. And most parents feel it difficult to try to make children understand how to decide that. Now, why is this problem happening? This problem is happening because children do not have a mental model of each operation. What is a mental model? Mental model means you have to have a movie kind of a thing or an image kind of a thing for a concept so that the child can understand and utilize it. Now, here I have taken two numbers 10 and 2, same numbers. And I've also taken, if you see here, these are called number tiles. This gives children the visual representation of that number. See, if it's a 10, there's a 10 dots here. If it's a 2, there's 2 dots here. Then children understand visually, concrete, we call it as concrete examples here. Not only numbers, they get number sense when they use such things and learn. The website that you can use for this, I'm going to give in this description. You can take it and use it for your children. First, let's go and understand using these two numbers how we can do addition, how subtraction looks, how different things looks. So if your children are confused, make them understand this visually by looking at this video. And if you like this video, like it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come up with various such videos, colorful, beautiful, interesting, and the most crucial challenges that the parents are facing. If you're facing some problem, please leave a comment. Then I shall make videos regarding those things as well. Okay, coming to this. So when it is addition, right? When it is addition, we represent like 10 plus 2, isn't it? We represent like this. And we are having this 10 things and 2 things, 10 dots and 2 dots. When we are adding, what is the meaning of it is we are bringing it this one and bringing it this one and joining it together, and now we are going to count the entire thing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. So the important thing is both the things was brought together. Okay. Now coming to subtraction. Let's come to the same subtraction. How do we represent subtraction? It's a 10 minus 2. Now for that also we'll take the things. For 10 means we're going to take a 10 dots thing. 2 means we're going to take a 2 dots thing. But what is the meaning of this? 10 minus 2 means you have to take away, remove. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one to hide the two rows, two dots. See, this is two dots, right? This is two dots. I'm going to hide the two dots. This is like hidden. Now, what is this red color means is it is not there. It's not actually a number. Okay. It is not actually a number. That means it is hidden. That means the dots are no more there. The dots are not there. Dots are not there. They're removed, they're taken away. Now, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the number of dots now is just 8. Right? Just 8. This is subtraction. This is subtraction. Now, coming to multiplication. How do we represent multiplication? Same. 10 and 2 means it is represented like this. Okay, 10 times 2. Now, very important, when children are learning 10 into 2, no, that's not the way to learn. 10 times 2. What is it? 10 times 2. Now, of course, for 10 we took a 10 dots, 2 we took 2 dots. But is multiplication like this? No, it is not like this. 10 times 2. What is it? When children understand the English, right? 10 times 2. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, I have 1 time 2 here. This is second time. 2 times 2 is there, no? Then 3 times 2. Now, for every dot, okay, now I shall explain once again. I shall explain this once again. What is the meaning of this is for, let's take this dot, okay, let's take this dot. For this dot, I'm going to pick up one of the two. Next for this dot, I'm going to pick up one more. Next for this dot, I'm going to pick up one more two. Next, for I go on like this. For every dot means, see, here four dots are filled. Four times two I have picked up. It is now, as of now, it is not 10 times two, it is just 4 times two. Okay, this is just 4 times two till now. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on doing this thing again and again, again and again. Now, the seventh time I'm picking up, sixth time I'm picking up a 2. Now, seventh time. Then this is a eighth time. Eighth time I'm picking up a 2. Then for this dot, ninth time I'm picking up a 2. And for the 10th time, I'm picking up a 2. So this is what is multiplication. Can you see that visually how different each addition is, subtraction is, multiplication is, everything is different. It is different. It's not the same. It looks different. The children get mental model of this. What is the difference between all the different operations? When they get this, now we have 10 times the 2 is there. Now this, when we count, that is our answer. When this we count, that is our answer. Sorry. And how many dots are there? Children count. They can count this. They will find there 20 dots. So the answer is 20. Answer is 20. Now, let's come to division. Now, how do we represent division? Same 10 and 2 we have taken. 10 divided by 2. Okay. Now, 10 divided by 2 means what? Of course, the 10 is there. Of course, the 2 is there. But here the 10 doesn't mean something, it means different, and 2 means different. Now, what? Division means distribution. Division means distribution. This 2 is there, no? This 2. That means it has two baskets or two buckets or two bowls or whatever. Okay, it has two buckets, two bowls, something. Okay, it has that. Now, out of this, I'm going to take and put some dots here. Okay, that means what? I'm going to take this and put it here. Take this and put it here. Take this, put it here. Take this and put it here. Take this. Yes, I go on like this. Now, what am I doing? I am distributing the dots. That is in the first number. This is called the dividend. The dividend number I am picking up and putting it in the divisor number of blocks, buckets, or bowls. Right? The 10 dots was there, no white colored dots. All of them have come into two different buckets. And now, what is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? Is What is there in one bucket? How many are there? One, two, three, four, five. So 10 divided by 2 is a 5. Now, children get the meaning of different operations in their head visually. They have a mental model, they have a movie inside them. Now, further, when they go to a problem, okay, when they go to a problem, how they have to decide this. For that, I have made another video. That link of that video I have shared in this description. You can see that one and how to use this foundational knowledge to take to a word problem. I use something called a problem solving toolkit there, and using that children can decide and do the problems word problems on their own. My motive of teaching is to make children independent learners. They should not come to me, or they should not come to parents and ask how to do this problem. They should do on their own in the future. That's my goal, preparing kids for life, not just exams. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video with all relevant people. Sharing is caring. See you until the next video. Bye bye.